How can we use digital technology to create more livable cities?
This is our invitation for the world to come and share ideas on how to use digital technology to create meaningful solutions for citizens.
In a world of increasing urbanization, increasing complexity in designing sustainable cities, it's crucial that we use the digital technology to create this livability in the cities around the world.
This conference is a wonderful step into the direction of re-questioning technology.
The question is, how can we use the digital technology to create more sustainable cities in the future?
Cities are only 2% of the planet, but have 50% of the population, 75% of energy consumption, 80% of CO2 emissions. So if you can do something to make our cities a little bit more sustainable, that could be a big deal.
One of the most important things is to create open and true public space.
I really do believe that our society depends upon the maintenance of these kind of spaces.
Data and big data, especially today in the city, tells us a lot about the consequences of what we do on the city and on the environment. And so just by sharing data, sometimes we can create very, very interesting feedback loops where people can then change their behavior as a response to that information.
But we don't actually know enough about how is the culture of the city developing, what are the personal and individual relationships. All those types of data is what we need in order to make better plans and make design that responds to behavior.
Design alone cannot solve the problems we have. Technology can't either. What we need is to have good governance. There is a real fear that public space will increasingly be privatized because that is a way to fund the creation of public space. And then a sense of democratic values that public space represents can be easily undermined.
Look back at history, the state has been an extraordinary innovator. All the greatest things are actually a function of state being able to actually take civil society's innovations and absorb them and universalize them. We have to re-embolden the idea of what state can achieve.
The good news is that new technologies are allowing us to make the cities more sustainable. However, the most important thing is to empower citizens to take better action.
The symposium is a wonderful starting point to re-question technology within the next 2 days.